Welcome back, educators! Today's video is one every teacher must watch. We're diving deep into the minds of our learners to uncover one powerful truth. What do our learners truly expect from us? Let's find out. First and foremost, learners expect a classroom where they feel safe, physically, emotionally, and intellectually. They want a place where mistakes are stepping stones, not sources of shame. Your learner thrives on clarity. Clear objectives, clear instructions, clear feedback. When the path is clear, their confidence grows. Learners want to know, why does this matter? Connect your content to their lives, their futures, their interests. Relevance transforms passive listeners into active participants. Your energy is contagious. A passionate teacher inspires curious minds. If you light up when you teach, your learners will light up when they learn. Learners expect a teacher who is consistent and fair. They need to know the rules apply to everyone, and that your expectations are firm but fair, as consistency and fairness build trust. They want feedback that guides, not punishes. Praise effort, highlight progress, show them how to grow, and they'll rise to the occasion. Above all, learners expect us to believe in them. Sometimes our belief is the only thing to keep their dream alive. Be that source of hope. So, what does your learner expect from you? More than just lessons. They expect leadership, empathy, and inspiration. If this video sparked something in you, give it a like and share it with fellow educators. Let's raise a generation of learners who feel seen, supported, and unstoppable. Thanks for watching, and remember, every great teacher starts by listening.